Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. This video will teach you how to place an order for a narcotic item. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service. Once you have logged in, you may search up the narcotic item here. I have added this item to my basket. If I view my basket and check out, as shown here, you will see the billing address and the shipping address, the item that I'm about to order, which is a narcotic item. If I'd like to place a PO number here, any comments, and because it is a narcotic item, I must enter a narcotic PIN. If I do not enter my narcotic PIN, trying to submit the order will be denied, as it will say here, narcotic PIN is required. If there are any pending narcotic invoices that do need a signature, when you log in, you will see the button here. Pressing on it will bring you to the Approve Narcotic Invoicing page. You will see which invoices need approval. You may click All and Approve Selected, or one by one. If you do not approve the past invoices for narcotic signatures, you will not be able to continue to place any orders. We thank you for watching this instructional video and we hope it was helpful. For any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service.